Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have these questions here. The letters of the word mathematics are rearranged in a random order. What is the probability that letters H and S have exactly 4 letters between them? Now there are total letters. Let's see. Total number of letters equal to 11, and we have total minus H and S equal to 9 letters. Okay. Now we can say 9C4 multiplied by 4 factorial is a choice of 4 letters other than H and S. Other than H and S and their arrangements, different arrangements. So this is choice of 4 letters and this is their different arrangement. The next thing that we have is 2 factorial. But these are to correspond arrangements of H and S. The next we have is 6 factorial to correspond, let's see, because we take H, then 4 letters, and then S. This is arrangement of these 6 letters, but what else do we have is 5 letters. So this is 1 and these are 5. So the arrangement of these 6 arrangement of these 6 things or 6 letters. So 6 factorial corresponds to that. And the next thing that we have is 11 factorial, which is total number of arrangements. Now we know probability is number of favorable events divided by total number of events. Now if we look at above parts of the equation, we know that multiplication of these 3 will give us number of favorable events. So we have 9C4 multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial divided by 11 factorial. Now 9C4 is nothing but, let's see, this is equal to 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial divided by 11 factorial. Now if we look at it, 4 factorial cancel out. 5 factorial cancels out 5 factorial from 6 factorial and 6 remains behind. So let's see, this is 9 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial is cancelled out. So 2 factorial multiplied by 6 divided by 11 factorial. Again the same thing happens here. 9 factorial cancels out 9 factorial from 11 factorial and we have 11 multiplied by 10 remaining. So 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which is 2. So 2 into 6 divided by 11 into 10, which is equal to 12 by 110. So the required probability is equal to 12 by 110. That is 110. Let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option D, 12 by 110.